Why does your scanner show the P0450 engine code? What does it mean? P0450 is a diagnostic trouble code for Evaporative Emission Control (EVAP) system pressure sensor malfunction. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM has detected a pressure reading outside the acceptable range specified by the manufacturer. This often points to a malfunction in the EVAP system's pressure sensor or its circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel tank pressure sensor. Wiring and connector issues. EVAP system leaks. EVAP purge valve or vent valve issues. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Toyota, and Mercedes-Benz models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.